Hello, welcome back to Chef Ramy Kitchen. Today I brought some local dish. Street food that's amazing, delicious. Street food recipe. This is my local food. Let's start with flour, salt, little bit of oil, and some normal water. We making the dough for the momo. So this homemade momo is so delicious. You can make in your taste. So need some time for the dough. Your dough needs smooth and tightly. So I just make a little bit tight dough. I'm going to keep some time in the side. Next I'm going to make the filling. Some minced chicken with little bit fat skin, salad, or you can also put onions, we going to make some nice filling, coriander chop, ginger garlic paste, little bit of soya sauce, five spices. I like five spicy because you get delicious flavor. So I'm going to mix all together with salt and pepper. Mix it on nicely. I need enough little bit of sesame seed for the extra flavor. So our filling is ready. Now the dough is ready to roll. Sadly, make it little bit of small size. That dough is perfect. Cut it small piece. I don't have the machine on. I need to make. Even I don't have the wooden one. I'm going to roll with a little bit of interesting stick, but it's work. So after that size, you're going to put inside the tag. This is a little bit of difficult part to fold in. Make sure this doesn't go open, and you can make it whatever you like, round or long. I like this one. Yeah. So now time to steam. I try to make it round, but it doesn't work properly. Cover for some time, and the water is going to be really hot, and just put it in the steamer for 10 to 12 minutes. Then your chicken momo is ready to eat. This is perfect cook. So sauce is you can find in my next recipe. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Enjoy.